Dear student, welcome to our Greenfield School and College online class. Today I will discuss chapter 7, Climate of Bangladesh. Uh, it is our revision class. At first, I'm to discuss weather and climate. Appears to be same. They have difference in their meaning. The natural condition of a particular area of a certain day or time of day that includes temperature, rainfall, wind, storm is called weather. So what is weather? The natural condition of a particular area of a certain day or time of day that includes temperature, rainfall, wind is called weather. It is determined by measuring temperature, air pressure, speed, humidity, amount of rain. Weather may change daily or hourly and actually does so. On the other hand, the average weather very important. So what is a climate? Average weather of 30 to 40 years of a particular area is called climate. So what is climate? The answer is here. However, there are some extra elements beside the condition of weather that count in determining climate of a place. The climate of an area includes latitude, longitude, distance from sea, like Cox's height from sea level, wind moment, ocean current, slope of land, soil structure, and we see two type of weather, Chittagong and Cox's Bazar. Cox's Bazar, when Chittagong, the sunny day, we observe then that at a time we see the when at a time we'll see the Cox's Bazar, it is here is raining continuously. So it is differ the longitude distance from sea, height from sea level, and ocean, change in the lifestyle of inhabitants of the area, luxury or development effect in change of climate of that particular area. These factors are resulting in increased temperature all over the world. We have to fight greenhouse effect due to this. Therefore, we need to learn the climate of Bangladesh. So, and change in climate effects and effect reason for the effect and tackling the new situation. Climate of Bangladesh. Bangladesh is situated in the tropical region where is situated Bangladesh. Its climate is tropical monsoon climate. What type of climate remain in Bangladesh? Tropical monsoon. Being near to the sea and under the influence of monsoon, neither the winter nor the summer is severe here. That is the point. The summer is warm and rainy and winter is dry. What type of climate here? The summer is warm and rainy and the winter is dry. The Himalayas, all those situated at far north, saves us from the chill wind coming from the north during winter. Uh, where is situated the Himalayas at far north. Therefore, winter is not too long. Usual temperature in Bangladesh during winter in 11 degree to 29 degrees Celsius, but sometimes it comes down to 4 degree to 5 Celsius in the north and northwestern region, because there are very causes for their come down. Thakurgaon, Panchargarh, Srimongol are the coldest place. Underline it. Thakurgaon, Panchargarh and Srimongol. Summer starts from the month of Boishakh. Sylhet is called the natural beauty of the Bangladesh, which is mid-April in the English calendar. Summer started from the month of Boishakh. The average highest temperature of Bangladesh is summer 34 degrees Celsius, underline average lowest is 29 degrees Celsius. Again, sometimes temperature in the north and northwest rises up to 40 degree to 45 degrees Celsius. You know the neighboring country India, their state Rajasthan. Rajasthan's temperature so high, 50 degree plus. The northwester occurs sometimes at the beginning of summer in various places. The coastal areas experience cyclones and tsunamis too. Underline, in the rainy season, wind blows with vapor from the south and southwestern part of the Bay of Bengal. It is called summer monsoon. This wind causes heavy rainfall in Bangladesh, but rainfall does not occur equally all over the country. Sylhet, Chittagong, Coxsbazar experience heavy rain. On the contrary, Rajshahi, Pabna, Kustia have comparatively low rainfall. There is rain during the autumn too. Though the amount is very low, river erosion also increases during the rainy season, April to May, October to November, at the high times for tornadoes and cyclones. The climate of Bangladesh is moderate. What type of climate here? Moderate. It means effect of favorable adverse weather is equal here. Being under favorable weather, Bangladesh is evergreen and ever fertile, you know very well. On the other hand, disaster like storms, tidal wave, flood, drought and nor'wester, tornado and excessive rainfall occur due to adverse effects and cause a lot of suffering to people. Lesson 2, look causes behind the climate change in Bangladesh. Many causes man-made, natural. Look, amount of rainfall during monsoon is decreasing, winter is arriving late and leaving early. The number of natural disasters is increasing, severity of drought, flood and tidal wave is on the rise. Rivers and canals are drying up. Man-made causes are equally responsible with natural causes for this. The main cause underlying behind climate change in Bangladesh as well as the world is global warming. Underline. What is the reason? The polar ice is melting abnormally due to warming. This water due to melting rise is raising the sea level. As a result, the low-lying southern region and many countries adjacent to sea are at risk of being submerged. It is very true, universal true. The greenhouse gas is highly responsible for global warming. Underline, gases like carbon dioxide. What are the greenhouse gases? Carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, chlorofluorocarbon combined are known as greenhouse gas. When we use refrigerator or freeze, here chlorofluorocarbon is multiplicated. The increased presence of these gases in atmosphere increases temperature of the earth. Human activity are causing this increase of greenhouse gases. Carbon dioxide constitutes the largest portion of greenhouse gases. This gas is generated from electricity production, smoke from vehicles, fuel, brick, clean, etc. The percentage of greenhouse gases has drastically increased these days. From this, we can easily understand the danger of climate change. The causes for climate change in Bangladesh are almost same as those around the world. However, developing countries like Bangladesh don't use the same amount of fuel as used by the developed countries. This considered developed countries are more responsible. Actually, developed countries are responsible for the greenhouse effect, for the global warming because they experiment more and exploit more in nature. They experiment the hydrogen bomb. They experiment the nuclear bomb. So this is the main reason for the global warming in the world for responsible developed countries. The temperature of the earth is also rising due to continuous deforestation. Deforestation is one of the reasons. Experts opine that a country needs underlying forests that should amount 25%. What percent should have a country's forest? 25%. But Bangladesh has only 17%. Moreover, the amount of forest is still decreasing due to indiscriminate cutting down of trees and destruction of hills. Consequently, the amount of rain in Bangladesh has decreased recently. The rainy season, when the rainy season will come, you feel that the amount of rain is decreasing, and a very slight and low rainfall occurs, but it is abnormal. Lesson 3: some disasters due to climate change. Look, cyclone and tidal waves. Here is a picture. When the air of earth's surface of a particular place becomes too hot, it blows upwards. As a result, air pressure of that places grows less. That is called depression. Underline, at this stage, air from surrounding places rushes to that depression area with higher speed. Actually, what is happening? What will happen when cyclone occurred? Most of that is called cyclone. So what is called cyclone? Most of the cyclone in Bangladesh occurs due to depression created in the Bay of Bengal. This kind of depression and storm in sea generate huge waves, and the waves in their turn inundate the landmass of coastal areas with great speed. That is called tidal waves. So what is called tidal waves? Here is the answer. Cyclone and tidal waves have struck and coastal areas of Bangladesh several times. These have killed so many people and crops. Say for example, 17 November 1970 in our coastal belt killed about a million. Tidal wave occurred and million people. Sidor and Ayla, two examples of cyclone of the recent past. Underline, about 3 million people. How many people affected by the Sidor? 28 districts were affected by Sidor and 3 million people. 15 November 2007, Ayla caused havoc on 5 May 2009. Underline, generally the meteorological office forecast about these cyclones issues warning to the people. We can minimize losses if we follow the forecast, take necessary precautions. We need to prepare for mitigating the impending disaster and take refuge in storm shelter at this time. Flood, one of the common disaster in our country. Almost all rivers of Bangladesh, including 3 major rivers. How many rivers what are the 3 major rivers? Padma, Meghna, Jamuna are originated in India. These rivers carry a great water flow from melted water of the Himalayas and huge rainfall in the highland through Bangladesh to the Bay of Bengal. Water from rainfall and hills of Bangladesh is added to it and increase the water level of rivers, and finally flood adjacent areas. Flood causes a lot of damage to our people. A lot of silt is not carried to the bay and stored in the river bed. These uh, reduce the river's capacity to carry water, so flood occurs on the river banks and adjoining areas. Many people become unemployed. The country experienced severe flood underline 1988, 1998 and 2004. River erosion. River erosion is a regular natural disaster in Bangladesh. Every year, especially during monsoon, river erosion occurs in the country. uh, look Occurs in the country. Most of the rivers of the country follow a frequent meaning during course. As a result, strong current cannot flow straight and strikes the banks, which start to erode. Besides change of river course, these are the reason, and lost structure of river banks, river filling, unplanned embankment to control rivers, and absence of trees on river banks contribute to the problem too. These are the other reasons. River erosion causes thousands of acres cultivable land and residents and different other construction to go down. You know where the river erosion occurred, then the village or upojela or especially village uh, or construction go down to the under the uh, under the rivers every year, and this picture is very common picture in our country. As a consequence, thousands of people of the country become homeless, destitute, and they came to work to the main cities for searching job. Drought is a natural disaster in Bangladesh. Lack of proper rainfall and slide in underground water level causes drought. Cold wave. Look, although Bangladesh is not a cold country, mild and medium cold waves are noticed some year in December to January. It is noticeable, especially in a northern region. Many people die even due to several cold waves. The regular life pattern suffers during this time. Tornado is one of the frequent and natural disaster Bangladesh. It is kind of violent and speedy windstorm. It is created due to low pressure on land and mass wind occurs in the same place. Tornado is such a natural disaster they cannot be forecasted or given early warning about. Clouds shaped like the funnel or elephant trunk gather in the sky just before a tornado. Generally, this funnel shaped cloud rushes toward the low pressure zone. This cloud moves from one place to another as whirlwind. A lot spinning goes on inside the funnel. Look northwester. If temperature of an area rises too high and wind of that area becomes lighter and goes up, cooler air from the adjacent areas rushes to fill up that vacuum and creates a storm. This is called northwester. Nor'easter is a storm that is of a very short duration, is regionally originated. Generally, it occurs in the month of Baishak. There are some measuring look Lesson 5, Effect of Climate Change on Socio-Economic Sector. Bangladesh is considered in the risk zone of adverse effect of climate change in agriculture, industry, health, social sectors. The socio-economic sectors where the adverse effects are noticeable are agriculture. Climate change is responsible for immense damage to crop, high temperature, excessive rain, stands on the way to get an expected harvest flash flood. Uh, in some places can cause damage to even the paddy, and that can withstand a certain level of water. Land for ours, paddy and jute is lessened due to flood. Fisheries. Climate change affects the fisheries of Bangladesh. From three dimension salinity uh, from three-dimension salinity, flood and tidal waves, increase of salinity water creates scarcity of fresh water. Fish habitats of fish are damaged when during flood storms and river overflow. Tidal waves contributes to the increase in salinity in inland water. Health sewerage system go out of order in the face of ever increasing floods. Consequently, epidemics break out. Industries largely depends on raw materials. Climate change affects production of agro produces in different areas of the country. Industries suffer from shortage of raw materials due to this. Social. Climate change has not noticeable affected rainfall. Highly amount of rain in short period causes flash floods and river erosion. Consequently, many people become climate refugee, and who are refugees? Actually, who have no, who are homeless. They have no house. They are refugees, and that is a threat to social discipline. So, thank you very much, dear student. I already revised it again, and actually you read it carefully. If you fall in any problem, please contact with me.